Okay, here's the feedback for lesson 15, partition to place. Some of you are not doing well on this because you're not up to date on your Zearn lessons. If you haven't done lesson 15, then you don't need to do this until you've completed lesson 15. You can always go back in the days and complete assignments. But if you're only on lesson 3 or 4 or 5, you're not going to understand this because you haven't done it on Zearn. So please make sure you're doing Zearn and you're caught up before you do these assignments. All right, number 1 says, what fraction should go in the circle above? First, we have to figure out how many parts there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, so we're dealing with fourths. So this is 0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. So again, 0 fourths, 1 fourth should be your answer here. All right, number 2, we have to figure out how many pieces there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pieces, so we're working with sixths. So this is 0 sixths, 1 sixth, 2 sixths, 3 sixths. Your answer should be 3 sixths. Here we got to figure out how many pieces we're working with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're working with 10 pieces. So this is 0 tenths, 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths is your answer.